Hey there, I'm Era. I'm the artist at Era.of.Mandalas, and I just received a package from one of my really good friends. She's at We Create Our World on Instagram. She's also Soul Journey Magics. And so I make mandalas, and she ordered one for a friend, and we decided we would do an exchange for payment. So I'm very excited to see what I've gotten. She made a reveal for me as well, which is why I wanted to make one for her. I haven't seen it yet, obviously. Very excited. Oh, I don't want you to see my address. Alrighty. Oh, this is beautiful. Little package. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Alright, let me read the card. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm like nervous when I read out loud. School days, am I right? Okay. Dearest soul sister, I'm sending you this handmade necklace worth two crystals. With two crystals. One from my collection that wanted to be with you, and one from one of my favorite crystal shops. The first one is carnelian, and that's the one in the necklace, and the one from my collection. The second one, the green, is Amazonite. It just really called to me for you. I knew I was going to send along carnelian, but didn't know what piece until just now. And I'm not sure why the Amazonite, but I feel it will speak to you when you look up what it does. I have cleansed and infused each piece with Reiki energy. May they bless and guide you. With so much love, enjoy, Beck. Words infused into the carnelian are love, excitement, fulfillment, and joy. In the Amazonite, she put clarity, peace, light, and abundance. Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. And she also gave me a tarot card, an oracle card, emerging. Oh, that is so beautiful. Kind of looks like me a little bit. Younger me. That is really cool. That's a good idea, Becca, putting in those cards. Very nice. I am so excited. Look at this little bundle. So she sells these on her Etsy, which is called Soul Journey Magics. She's got lots of stuff. She's got necklaces, tarot readings, t-shirts, sweaters with like sacred geometry on them. So they're also healing tools. I highly recommend them. My tank top, the Flower of Life one, is probably my favorite shirt of all time. I wear it all the time. It's so comfy and flattering. Oh, I did not know it had all this lavender in it. I do not mind that on my bed at all. It's good for sleep. Oh, beautiful. Look at this piece of Amazonite. I feel like you can't see anything. Oh, wow, super beautiful. It's a good feeling. I like it. That is super nice, Becca. Thank you. Let me try to put some of this lavender back in the bag. Probably should have pulled the pieces out rather than dumped it into my hand. I'll do that. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's kind of everywhere, but that's okay. I don't mind. Okay. But good touch. It smells really good. I love lavender. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. See, you can see a little lavender falling out. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so long and glorious. Oh, this piece is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm gonna wear this all the time. Oh, wow, that sits really nicely. Oh, that is a good length. Oh, this must have taken you forever to make. Oh, I love it. Yes, I love this. Thank you so much. And don't hesitate to get something from her. She puts a lot of love and energy and magic into her stuff. Oh my gosh. And if you want to exchange anything for a mandala that I offer, you know, if you have an Etsy shop or something like that, we can talk business. We can talk trade. I'm not really about gaining money. I kind of just want to spread love and good vibes and magic and art. So definitely open to trading some art or some jewelry or anything that you offer. Let's just talk. Alrighty. You can find me on Era.of.Mandalas, and you can find her on Etsy, Soul Journey Magics, and her Instagram is we_create_our_world. Okay. And her YouTube is called Soul Journey. Okay. Anyway, yes. Oh, I love it. I feel really good. I feel really different wearing it. I feel like I've entered a different vibration. It feels really amazing. I don't think I'm ever going to take it off. This better be shower worthy because I don't ever want to take it off. Okay. Love you, Becca. Thank you so much. Bye.